Have you ever tried using Termux on your Android phone and ended up frustrated, confused, or just stuck with errors? You're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing my real experience with Termux. What works, what doesn't, and whether it's really worth your time in 2025. Let's get started. Termux is a terminal emulator that lets you run a Linux-like environment directly on your Android device. You can install Python, run bash commands, use GitHub, and even try out some ethical hacking tools, all from your phone. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. I've used Termux several times, and almost every time I ran into some kind of issue. Let me break it down. Commands that should work just don't. Packages fail to install because of unsupported platform errors. Scripts from YouTube or ChatGPT. Half of them either stop midway or break completely. Tools like ngrok, Cloudflare, even some Python modules won't run properly due to Android limitations. The truth is, Android is not full Linux. It has restrictions on file systems, background processes, and 64-bit binaries. So, tools made for desktop Linux just don't run the same here, and most online tutorials, they're too generic. They don't consider your device specs, architecture, or Android version, which makes things fail silently. If you're a beginner or someone who just wants things to work out of the box, Termux will probably disappoint you. It requires patience, research, and a lot of trial and error. But if you're a developer or love troubleshooting and Linux environments and you're okay with limitations, then Termux can still be a powerful tool. Here's how I'd rate Termux based on my personal experience. Usefulness: 3 out of 5 stability, 2 out of 5 beginner-friendly, 1.5 out of 5. So, is Termux worth using in 2025? Only if you know what you're getting into. Otherwise, you'll waste more time fixing errors than actually building projects. If you've faced similar issues with Termux, comment below. Let's share our struggles and maybe some solutions too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.